Every Saturday, I woke up early, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. First thing first, I wash my face to get myself feeling alert and awake. Next, I grab my shoes and get ready to head out for a jog. Before I start running, I do a few warm-up exercise to get my muscle loose and prevent any injuries. After warming up, I hit pavement and start my jog. The fresh air and exercise always leave me feeling invigorated and energized. At 3 p.m., I go to gym. I focus on a full upper body workout. I start with sit-ups and target my core. And I hit seated rows to sculpt my back, build posture and straighten my lats and strap. It's a killer exercise for a strong upper body. And I do incline bench press to target my upper chest, build definition, and enhance overall shoulder stability. It's a game changer for a powerful upper body. And I crush bench press to build serious upper body strength, targeting my chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's total upper body powerhouse move. I also do pull-ups to engage my last, build upper body strength, and improve my overall physique. And I do cable flies to target my chest muscle from different angles, helping to build a more defined and balanced physique. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.